come around to say hello. One-on-one, I'm so fly. You took a nosedive. Careful when you play on my level. For you, it's so. Hey, hello.
Motorola Razr 50 Ultra. Flip the script.
Hello, Moto.
Ranganathan.
No.
Is the caste census a bogey that is raised by the India Alliance because they don't want to do any real work? And that's what Chetan Kumar and the India Alliance is saying now, that they have been conned. It has been a fraud that has been done to them. 25,000 crore rupees have been debated. The Khatakhat model has taken away money that should have gone to the Dalits and to the OBCs. The fact of the matter is, even in Jammu and Kashmir, where elections are going to take place, the Congress and the National Conference, alliance partners together, want Article 370 to come back, which means reservations for Dalits and Valmikis there also will never be there. So what is this hypocrisy, Dr. Anand Ranganathan?
Good evening, Navika, and good evening to my fellow panelists. First of all, before I come to the thrust of the topic, can I please register my condemnation of one of your panelists talking in very patronizing terms about Mr. Chetan, saying that, oh, someone who's come from America is talking about underprivileged. Well, my good friend
also,
who's a panelist.
Anand Ranganathan, let me not hold you back.
Yes, and maybe this person doesn't remember that it was Dr. Ambedkar, who had also returned from America after a PhD from Columbia, who talked about and spearheaded the rights for the underprivileged. So maybe in his book, an Italian can come, descend on India and talk about underprivileged, but Dr. Ambedkar from America cannot, or Mr. Chetan cannot. Now, second question about Mr. Jamai talking about, so waxing eloquently about Dalit rights. Maybe he forgets that according to International Dalit Solidarity Network, there are about 100 million Dalit Muslims who are discriminated more than the other Dalit Hindus are. So let him not talk about selective about what is happening to Dalit Hindus. Dalit Muslims face as much discrimination as any other Dalit community. Now, let me come to the thrust because it's a very important discussion we're having. Navika, quote, I dislike any kind of reservation, more particularly in service. I react strongly against anything which leads to inefficiency and second-rate standards. I want my country to be a first-class country in everything. The moment we encourage the second rate, we are lost. If we go in for reservations or a communal and caste basis, we swamp the bright and able people and remain second-rate or third-rate. The only real way to help a backward group is to give opportunities for good education. Help should be given on economic consideration and not on caste, unquote. Who said this? Jawaharlal Nehru on June 27th, 1961. किसी में दम हो कांग्रेसी में या सपोर्टर्स में तो कह दे जवाहरलाल नेहरू गलत थे. हिम्मत है तो कह दो. Look, why are we shirking away from the truth? You mentioned 370 and Congress trying to get it back, thereby removing whatever little semblance of dignity the Dalit got through abrogation.
डॉक्टर रंगनाथन को अरे कुछ अपना बताओ जो पिछड़े प्रधानमंत्री है, पिछड़े प्रधानमंत्री उनका कुछ बताओ. आरएसएस का बताओ. आज केरला में आरएसएस ने क्या बोला है?
नेहरू जी का क्यों हो रहा है? जमाई साहब इतना रैटल क्यों हो गया? जवाहरलाल नेहरू को कंडेम कर दीजिए. घबराइए मत.
लेना पड़ता है आपको.
घबराइए मत जमाई साहब.
नेहरू जी का नाम लेना ही पड़ता है.
मुस्लिम्स की बात करी तो घबरा गया.
नाम लेना पड़ता है.
मुस्लिम्स को राइट दीजिए.
अरे आरएसएस का नाम लो ना. केरला में क्या बोला है आरएसएस ने आज?
दलित मुस्लिम से राइट मत छीनिए. आप होंगे अशरफी,
दलित मुसलमान हो या दलित हिंदू हैं,
दलित
दोनों की एक हालत है.
की राइट्स
दोनों की एक हालत है. और कास्ट सिस्टम ने
लेकिन मुस्लिम्स को आप डिवाइड नहीं करेंगे. पसमंदा मुस्लिम्स, अंसारी मुस्लिम्स, द लोअर कास्ट मुस्लिम्स, यू विल नॉट टॉक अबाउट देम because you want to divide the Hindus. You don't want to divide the Muslims.